We have the Motovera laser level. This is the LLT8. This has 4 different brightness adjustments. You just hit the button on the top here, okay? And that'll adjust the brightness. You get power into it by using the USB-C, and it comes with this cool tripod, you know, that you can move up, move down. You can adjust it a bunch of different ways. Very easy to use tripod, I noticed, and also the feet are pretty cool. On top of all those features, it also has 2 different ways to turn it on, which I've never actually seen in one of these before. You have the ability to have it in manual mode. That's the mode I have it in now. So this will just shine a light on the wall, and if you maybe didn't care about being level, you can have this in whatever direction you wanted and have a line on the wall, which is cool. Like you could see, like if you were doing maybe something like this, you can have it, all right? The other way is you actually turn you unlock the pendulum and see how it's moving in there? And now this will actually self-level itself. This is called auto mode. The other one was manual mode. This is auto mode. So this will actually automatically level itself. I'm gonna turn the light out real quick so you can see how bright this is. I mean, it's bright with the light on, and I have insanely bright lights in here for filming. But if I turn this thing off, you can see it lights up that wall. It shines all the way up, even on the ceiling. And the green actually comes through to your human eye a lot better than the red. So I have had red lasers in the past, and the red lasers kind of get washed out. So green has been like the newest one that's come out in the last few years, and I think everyone's moving to green just because your eye does pick it up a lot better. Again, it has the 4 different brightnesses. It does have a 2-year warranty, and the unit itself feels pretty good. It's kind of rubbery. It's got like a rubbery feel to it, so that if it does fall, it has kind of fall protection. Like this is all like very rubbery. Like I can kind of dig my nail into there. So pretty nice. This is where you attach it. Right now it's freaking out because I'm moving all over the place. I'll turn it off. This is where you turn it on and off. This is your battery indicator on the top, and this is where you get the power into it. It does come with a USB-C cable. This comes with a actual carrying case, and this comes in a case as well. So you can keep everything nice and protected because this is a very delicate, but rugged tool. But it's something you want to take care of, basically. Just like your levels and things like that. You don't want to be banging these things around. So yeah, pretty nice. That's the guy.